Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are jumping in to the Ipsy Glam Bag for the month of December. I can already tell you that the amount of glitter that is all over my hands and all over my desk from this bag means that this bag is going right in the trash. I am not a fan of glitter getting everywhere, but you don't care about the bag, you care about the products inside. So today we're going to be jumping into a full unboxing and review of all of the items inside my Ipsy Glam Bag. So if that's something you're into, make sure to keep on watching. And don't forget to subscribe because I upload at this point every other day, and that'll be the best way to stay up to date and all the fun stuff I'm posting. So if you want to jump into the Ipsy Glam Bag Glitter Edition with me, stay tuned. All right, so first things first, I do want to remind you that this is sent to me in PR. I received this to review it, and I am not paid for any of my thoughts. If I like a product, I'm going to tell you I like it. If I don't like a product, I'm going to tell you I don't like it. And of the 5 products in the bag, I can tell you right now, there is already one that I am so opposed to on a molecular level that it is the biggest fail of a product they can send. And I'm really excited to talk about it. So let's jump right in. First things first, the product for me that is going to be an instant no, this is from Dr. Brandt, and this is the Microderm Abrasion Age-Defying Exfoliator. I have been talking about this for years, and I will be honest, I used to use this product, and then I learned and stopped using it. This product is known to give micro lacerations to the surface of the skin. A chemical exfoliator once to twice a week to dissolve dead skin is phenomenal. A physical exfoliator that's like a gentle enzyme polish, like the Dermalogica rice powder, or even something with a little bit of a grit to it, totally fine. This is like taking sandpaper to your face. You are cutting the surface of the skin, you are injuring your skin, and instead of your skin using this anti-aging, your skin is healing from tiny little microscopic cuts all over the surface of your skin. So this is not a save for a giveaway. This is not a pass on to a friend. This is a right in the trash option that I will not be sharing with anybody. Absolutely not. The next item out of the box is from Acology. This is a brand that we've gotten several different masks from in the past couple months. This is the Hydra Glow Energizing Green Tea Eye Masks. Now, we have received the green tea line. I don't believe we've received the eye masks before. Excuse me. The next item is from Acology, and we've actually We've received a few of their masks over the course of the past few months, and this is the Acology Hydra Glow Energizing Green Tea Eye Mask. Now, I love a good eye mask. Each of these comes with 2 packages, and it is a 2-pack. So you do get 2 different uses out of it. The thing I love about eye masks is that they're topical, so they'll help to depuff the under eyes and help to just make your eyes look a little more awake. The one thing I will say is the people who use them before they go to bed at night are absolutely missing the mark with them. These are designed to be used in the morning, and then you'll have those effects throughout the day. They aren't going to be a long-term solution that's going to help you, you put them on at night, and then you're sleeping it off and you wake up puffy in the morning anyway. So definitely make sure if you're going to use something like this that you are using them in the morning before you do your makeup. The next item is from the brand. Is there even a brand on here? It is it is Shayna B Miami. We've received a few products from them in the past. This is a dome blending brush. And I will say that it does have a nice shape and it's nice and fluffy. So I will be using this. I'm actually shooting a video later today where I'm doing a whole eyeshadow tutorial since, spoiler alert, the only eyeshadow that I got out of my Ipsy's and BoxyCharm was a super warm tone palette that I can't use. So I will be putting this to the test then. Now, this did just come right out of the bag. So as a reminder, if you do get a brush that's new, make sure you wash it before you use it because you don't know if somebody, touched it or during the manufacturing process, anything got in the brush. So before you stick it directly onto your eye, wash it. The next item is from Ace Beauty, and I have very rarely been let down by Ace Beauty. And anything I can think of that I didn't like was years ago, before their rebrand, before they reformulated, and back before the brand got as big as it is today. So right now, no complaints. This is a Slick Luster Lip Gloss. Now, for somebody who calls themselves a luster lip gloss, I will say it being a solid color is kind of a disappointment for me. To me, luster doesn't mean shine, it means sparkle. A luster dust is a sparkle dust. Luster, sparkle, not shine. So I do wish that this had a glitter in it just because, again, to me, a lip gloss that has a glitter in it is a luster lip gloss. A lip gloss that is just shiny is not. So not going to be something that I'm going to use. I don't love a high shine lip gloss. I prefer a lip gloss with sparkles in it. And the last item is going to be another pass from me. This is the Volumizing and Lengthening Mascara from Translucid Beauty. It's been a while since I used this mascara, but it was many months ago. I was living in Vail, so it was at least a year and a half ago. And I found it to be a little clumpy. I didn't love it. It was okay on the first use, but like after a week or so, it got super clumpy. It is not one of those formulas I think that holds well. So that is going to be a pass from me. I have friends who love Translucent's mascara because the last time I didn't like it, I was told I was crazy because so many people I knew really liked it. So I know who I'm giving that to, but I will not be using it. So all in, this is not the best Ipsy bag. And I understand that if I was a paying Ipsy subscriber, I would have gotten to pick up to 3 of the items in my glam bag. So definitely would have been better because I would have known I don't want this, I don't want this. And if I would have looked at the swatches, I could have told you I didn't want this either. But again, I didn't because in PR, they send us a random bag, which is not a bad idea. I love that I get to try new products, but it does just sort of bring up this idea that this is not a product or a bag designed for me, which the Ipsy paying customer gets a bag designed for them. So this is going to be a pass for me, but I do understand that you probably would have a better experience if you were a paying subscriber versus me getting the bag for free. So I'm going to say that comparing the bags this month, the BoxyCharm by Ipsy was phenomenal. The Glam Bag, not so much. So take it for what it is. As always, I would love to hear your thoughts down below. What do you think? Last month, a lot of you were commenting that the PR boxes were not good, but the people who paid for their boxes got some really great products. I did see a couple comments that paid for their boxes and didn't get great products either. So I know that it's kind of hit and miss sometimes, but I do want to hear what you have to say down below because I saw the comments and I would love to start the conversation below of, do you think that you like when the PR boxes show good product, or would you prefer that all of those really great products go to the paying subscribers, which I do think is a great thing, or do you wish that everybody got great products? Sound off down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.